Hi everyone, David Terrio here, and I'm here to show you how to set up an assignment in Canvas where it's a Google Cloud assignment for students to submit, and why you might want to use Google Cloud and why you might not want to use Google Cloud. So here we are in Canvas, and we want to create an assignment. So we go to Assignments here over here on the left, and Assignment right here. So we just click this blue button to click the assignment. And we're going to make a Google Cloud assignment. So Fountain Valley's PE department, they made an About Me slide. They want that About Me slide to get pushed out to each student individually, and then they want the students to be able to submit them to them using the Google Cloud assignment tool. So let's just pretend we click this assignment, and that will bring up this window. And we'll go to the edit so we can take a look at it. And it's loading just a little bit. Sorry, my computer is a little old. So here we go. And hi students, looking forward to getting to know you better. Please click on the button below to open a new tab. Because I set this up to open in a new tab, you may need to authorize the Google Cloud assignment tool the first time you do this. And I'm going to make a follow-up video for students to use. So if you want, you can share the video on how to do this as a student the first time you send them this assignment, so they can watch somebody kind of go through the whole process. So you just tell them what it is that you wanted, and then you're going to come down here, you pick the points, you pick an assignment group, display grades as, and then for submission type, you're actually going to, let's say right now it was clicked on this, you're going to hit external tool, okay? And then for find, you're actually going to type in Google, and you'll hit find, and you'll see Google Docs Cloud assignment right here in the middle. So Google Docs Cloud assignment, you click that, and then it's going to say link resource from external tool. And you're probably going to have to search for it. And so I'm going to do PE About Me, because that's what I titled the Google slide that I want to share with students. And here's the David Terrio About Me assignment PE. So I just click that, and I'm going to hit submit, and it's retrieving the content. And then I just hit select right here. And now it'll push that Google slide out to each student individually, okay? And then you can submission attempts, assign to everybody, the due date, available whenever. It's always available. And then you just hit save, okay? Now, why do you want to do this, or why do you not want to do this? So the Google Cloud assignment, what's nice about the Google Cloud assignment is that you don't have to worry about students doing that thing where they go to the share and they hit anybody with the link can view, or everybody in Huntington Beach can view. Like, if you get frustrated by students doing that all the time, then you want to use this Google Cloud assignment, okay? The bad part about the Google Cloud assignment is that it's actually opening up a PowerPoint or a Word document inside for the students. And so they're not using the native Google slide and the native Google Docs. So the fonts that you used might look different. The colors that you used might look different. It's just not exactly the same. So if you need the slide to stay exactly the same with the fonts, the colors, everything, then you want to use the URL slide. If you don't care about that, you just want students to input, you don't want to worry about them changing that share link, then you do this Google Cloud assignment. And then if you'll notice, this is kind of how it looks for the students, and they might need to click on this, like a link, for the slide to actually open up. Like, look, it looks really small. You're like, oh, how can I do that? I don't know how to submit my professional development stuff for it to get paid. Like, yeah, you need to click on this blue link up here, and then it's going to open up the slide really big, and then you can start working on it, okay? So this is how you submit a Google Cloud assignment, and then I'm going to make a follow-up video for you to show your students, for them how to then turn around and submit it and authorize the tool for you. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you all have a great day. Hope you had a good summer. Good luck this year. I wish you all the best.